Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
I'm Carly.
I'm Izzy.
And this is a DIY video on how to take something ugly and make it chic. Been a while since we posted a video. We definitely have been busy. I got my tonsils out and I talked like that Asian girl off of Pitch Perfect where she's like,
So true. She didn't even say anything.
It's just like that.
Yeah.
So we're so excited to film this video.
Carly and me, we are addicted to thrift store.
Yes, we are.
I think last week we went every single day.
That's not even a joke. We legit did, and I have no money. I haven't worked in 3 weeks.
I know everyone that works at Savers. Like, I know the different workers and who's like nice and who's not.
Dude, we donated clothes though, and we got 30% off, like a coupon thing. Okay, I'm so excited to use that. It's gonna be awesome.
So I got this Looney Tunes, has all the characters. It's like a red sweatshirt, and this was really cheap. It was on a half off day, so it was only $4. But I'm going to crop it because I'll show you it on. It looks really baggy.
It's too oversized.
Makes me look like a man, but
I found this shirt. I love to go to the men's section in like the large, extra large, because they always have cute shirts, and this is like a Billabong shirt and it's super long, but when you cut it and like crop it, oh, it's so cute. You just have to do that.
And then I actually got these yesterday. So they're Lucky Brand jeans, and they're high-waisted mom jeans, of course. And they have these buttons and they go all the way up. So you know I'm not lying, I paid $6 for these, but I also got 30% off because I donated stuff.
Yes.
And I'm gonna make these into shorts because I have a ton of regular mom jeans and not a lot of mom jean shorts.
Perfect. So I'm also gonna crop another t-shirt, so you guys have 2 examples of cropping t-shirts. This one is so cute. I think it's just like adorable.
Yeah,
and
you got that yesterday.
Yeah, and I really did. It was $1. I'm sorry, I don't have the tag like Izzy, but it seriously was $1. Okay, technical difficulties. I'm gonna crop this one so that it is like the other shirt where it's just like a crop top and you can fashion it with anything. It is so cute. Okay, guys,
let's do it! This is my sweater. We are gonna cut it.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna put it up to where I want to crop it and make a little right there. So then you're just gonna go like this and cut it up. Oh! I'm so upset. Okay.
That worked a lot faster.
Or you could just have a mental breakdown like me and you snip it. I'm gonna come off crazy in this video.
Okay, that looks so cute right now.
You need to measure where you want them. Like, do you want booty shorts? Do you want knee shorts? And then once you've decided, go like this into the inseam. I probably want them this long. You can always cut shorter, but you can't like make it longer. So you might need to do like multiple cuts. Oh, and fold it like this so they're symmetrical. To the other. Okay.
Yep. She's freaking Hulk.
I felt like Hulk when I did that. I'm just done with this. Don't get frustrated. That's a tip.
Especially when you're holding scissors.
Okay, I actually think that might be good.
Woo! I'm starting out with this orange shirt, and usually I'll just hold it up like this, and I'll be like, oh, probably like right here. I never make a cut, I honestly just guess. So I lay it down, then I just take some scissors. Apparently these scissors suck. And then I just cut straight across. And it doesn't even matter if it turns out horrid because that is the fun of DIYing. Can I even rip this? Oh, heavens to Betsy. What if it ripped like all the way to the armpit and I ruined the shirt? Okay, so I just ripped that off. Usually I also like to cut the sleeves a little bit too because they're just like super long and they go to here, so I like to cut them. Already looking good right there. Perfect. Then you have this cut up shirt that looks like vintage and it looks like it could come from like PacSun, but dude, you got it for $1 and you cut it yourself. So that's why you should always thrift shop because it's awesome. This is the Billabong shirt. I'm so pumped about this. It's so cute. Having issues with the scissors, take the rip part and you just go bam. I cut the sleeves just like I did in the last one. And that is how you crop a tee.
Thanks guys for watching this video.
Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And
Live your best life.
Oh no, she just beat up that tree.